guys, it's me Heather and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to talk to you about some CHI CHIC Beauty products that I picked up. They were having, I don't think they were having a sale, but if you sign up for their mailing list you get 10% off. And they had some new 9-pan palettes that I wanted to try. I have not tried anything from the brand before, so I was really excited. You do get the cute little sticker that comes with it. Super cute. I mean, yes. And then let's see. Oh, so, and it says CHI CHIC Beauty is a proud partner of the Trevor Project. We commit to donating 2% of our sales to the Trevor Project to help prevent suicide among the LGBTQ youth. So that's definitely something that I can get behind, so love that. And then I picked 3 of the new Juicy 9 palettes. And I'll tell you, that's what I'm wearing today. Obviously the glitter is not the glitter, if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see the glitter. But the glitter is not, but on my eyes everything is from the 2 of these Juicy 9 palettes. This is the Juicy Velvet. You have 9 happily pressed shadows and pigments. And of course I keep everything in the pretty packaging. And it just looks like these. And then you open it up and it has the little, I kept the little plastic part on there. And then no mirror, so you're getting the beautiful kimchi. And then, let's see if it, there we go. It's too bright. But look at those colors. I have ruby slipper on my lid. Red is definitely like a scary color to wear. People are always worried about wearing red on their eyes, but I love red. So I mixed that with some of the other shades in the matte palette. But look at these colors. I mean, yeah. Let's swatch this blue. I have not tried the blue yet. No primer. Hello. Look at all that glitter on my hand. Look at that blue. And then we'll go ahead and do, for the people who are not blue fans, this one up here called Sparkle. Right next to it. Oh yeah, very pretty. Very pretty, very pretty. So, again, that is the Juicy Velvet palette. So hopefully it is showing you that these are shimmery. Ooh, let's switch this green down here called Deep Emerald. And my fingers are going to be covered because these are, yes, look at that. Very pretty. Then we're going to go to the palette that I have all over my lids and underneath my eyes. It is the Mango Tango palette, and it just looks like this. I love that a lot of brands are doing the smaller palettes because, I mean, literally how many palettes do I have? A bajillion. Look at this. I was trying to declutter. Here you go. Yeah, I was trying to declutter, and I just gave up. So it's been that way for about 2 weeks now. I just keep working from the top. All right, so this is the Mango Tango palette. These are matte shades. So I have Dragon Fruit, which is in, and I have Dragon Fruit in my crease, and then I kind of smoked it out with Apple, which is this one, and then I put a little bit of Strawberry on the lid, and then I put that Ruby Red all over the glitter, all over the rest. I mean, all over the rest of the lid. So these colors really kind of don't stand out anymore. And then I put Dragon Fruit on the lower lash and kind of blended that in, and then I put a little bit of this blue on the inner corner with some glitter, so you can't really see that either, but that's what I'm wearing because the glitter and the highlighter kind of took over, but that's what I have on. So there it is without the bright light. These are all just matte. I'm very impressed, and again, beautiful picture. It gave me Dolly Parton vibes when I opened it up. I was like, yes, look at that golden hair. So I was very impressed. I think I ended up paying like $11, 11 something a piece. It was like $36 shipped, so it was not too bad. And then that was with the 10% off. But like 2 days ago, when the day that I got my order, they had 40% off their website. So definitely keep an eye out because it's worth it full price. But now we know that they do 40% off. I will be buying more. And then this is one I have not used. It's called the Juicy Chocolate Melt palette. And again, it's 9 happily pressed pigments and shadows. This is the more neutral one. It's a little bit safer, but I thought, man, sorry about the dogs. They have no chill. But I was like, man, This is beautiful. First of all, look how cute it is. You got a little Kit Kat, a little teddy bear. You got some chocolate, some candy. But look at those beautiful colors. I thought this would be a great neutral. This would be fun for every day. But I'm also very curious of how I can make this dramatic and blow it out. Look at this cannoli color though, guys. Look how pretty it is. Like, woo! It's pretty. And then we've got this shimmery chocolate factory down here next to that. Oh, and Temptation, and next to that. Look at these colors. I mean, like everything you could ever imagine right here. Oh, I didn't do that gold. Let's do the gold in the middle. I forgot it was shimmery. Yes. Oh yeah. So for $14, or if you can catch them on sale, definitely worth the money. So yeah, I'm very impressed with the Kimchi Beauty. I think you should go support them, buy from them. They have mirrors and highlighters and eyeshadow palettes and all kinds of beauty stuff that you can, you could ever want and didn't even know you needed. But if you see one of these palettes you would like a look with, for sure let me know, because I will be filming one just kind of creating a fun look, maybe perhaps this red that I have on. But I definitely wanted to just show these to you because I didn't even know they existed until I don't even remember if it was suggested to me or something, and I just clicked and then they were having a sale. So definitely go check out Kimchi Beauty and let me know which palette you would like to see a look on, or that you're just interested in. Comment down below. Be sure you're subscribed, you have your post notifications turned on so you never miss a video, and I will see you guys next time.